Alright, so this is pretty exciting. I got a touch screen for the mill finally, and it makes life a lot easier, especially when you've got to go fix something. So I got a job here that I have to fix these splines that don't fit, and to do that I really need to be able to get this in here and set up where it needs to go, and doing it on the keyboard just hasn't been that convenient. Now finally having this set up, everything's just so much more convenient. It works, you just push the button. I mean, it should be that easy. But what I gotta do is I gotta open up these splines a little bit so that they fit. And as they currently stand, it goes on there pretty okay, but it needs to be able to freely go from one end to the other. This is for a transfer case doubler, for putting two transfer cases together on a car, and it's supposed to be able to just shift right through that, and it's not doing that, so I need to fix it. So first things first, I just want to make sure that I've got it chucked in here pretty straight. There I go saying it was working, and now it doesn't. Ah, yeah, there it is. That fits great. Well, I'll try cleaning that up with the sander and see what happens. But that's all I needed. Just to double check this is the actual part it needs to fit. Oh yeah. Beautiful. This is what the original shaft would have looked like. And then this is a doubler shaft, so this goes onto here. And this goes into here. And now you can run 2 transfer cases for extra gear reduction. And these are for a Ford Ranger, Ford Explorer, something along those lines. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. So here it is, and I have 2 of these. One of them is in here right now.